Sir, Madam, my name is Rowena Pelices. I'm Filipino. I'm 43 years old. I'm married. I have a brother and two sisters. And I'm second of the family.
Okay, so what are your duties and responsibilities in your previous job?
Sir, Madam, responsibility and duties are washing clothes, ironing, and take care of the children.
Can you tell us how to take care of the children?
I will give them food, vitamins, bathing them, and play them.
Okay, what are the dishes and menu that you can cook?
I can cook, Madam, Sir, Filipino dishes like minuto, adobo, tinola, but I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes.
Who will take care of your family if you work in Hong Kong?
Sir, Madam, my parents will take care of my daughter.
Okay, so how would you describe your character?
Sir, Madam, I'm honest, patient, and hardworking.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to help my family and daughter,
And for the future of my daughter.
and to the future of my daughter.
Thank you so much, Ms. Felices, and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.